who really brought all the Grabbers here today and brought the company here today. This is for you, for all the Grabbers here. We're here to serve you and all your family members. So a round of applause to all of you. Today, this is for you. All the leaders, as you can see, are in aprons serving you. You guys have been doing all the serving. You guys have been doing all the heavy lifting to get here. Now it's our chance to do that heavy lifting for you. We want you guys to have a great time today, and we just want you to, of course, there's drinks, there's food. It's your night, so just enjoy it.